Boom. Okay. Welcome again to Military Guna TV. I am your host, Mario Dakers, and thank you guys for joining me. Now, guys, before I get into any details, there's something I want to speak about. Now, I woke up, didn't feel well this morning. I still did a video, went away, do my work. Now I'm back, but throughout the day, few things happen, and I'm feeling extremely better now. So I'm a bit more hyper. I have more energy, to deliver my content. But thank you for everyone who said that wish me they get well soon. I totally appreciate it. Thank you very much, guys, for doing that. You never had to, and you did. But as I want to say, good evening. It's not evening in Jamaica, but good evening to everyone. And we have to give thanks to the Almighty for strength and the will to go on. So, people, if you're watching in the morning, good morning, and also if you're watching it tonight, good night. So, but at the end of the day, I have to give you guys the pay my respect and and my manners, pay my manners as well. But people, please, I need someone to DM me via my Instagram or my Twitter because I realize that the belly seems like it's moving away from the 8 pack, from the 6 pack. It's morphing into the 24 pack. So I'm getting the entire pack. I'm getting the entire crate, people. So I need to know when factory or Duns, football is playing at factory or done. So DM me, people. I need to move away because I don't want the entire crate. I see the crate. It was there for a while now. I need to get back to the 6 pack or the 8 pack because I cannot manage the crate. I don't want the crate because it is summer and we all want the 6 pack or the 8 pack. People. So guys, help me out. When you guys are going to play football, let me know because I don't want to turn it there by myself and I don't know anyone. I can't get in the game because I'm not a good footballer. But anyways, people, thank you guys for let's get in the show. Let's get in the show. Enough of that. So people, we have a few things we want to speak about today. First of all, congratulations to Damion Lowe. He was featured into the CONCACAF team of the tournament via Scotia, the right back position, which is quite weird. Honestly, it's quite weird to me. Maybe it's because of the reason why he was covering O'Neil Fisher and also Alva Spoil so often down at that right hand side. Maybe they mistaken him for a right back. But definitely, congratulations, Damion Lowe. Keep putting the hard work. I am one of your biggest critics. I don't know if you're watching this, but you know that I'm one of your biggest critics from ever since. But this Gold Cup campaign, definitely you have proved a point. And if I had anything to say back then, which is people deem that too overcritical, definitely. I think when I did it was warrant, but no, I can be can analyze you on a good aspect because of the performance that I saw. So congratulations again, and you did well. You really, really did well. You stand out throughout this Gold Cup campaign. So well done to you. Now let's go on. West Harding. Rotherham United, West Harding was voted Rotherham United Player of the Year. Can you imagine? Our young star voted as Player of the Year for Rotherham United, which is something good. We have to give commiserations to that because in the same sense you can see Jams Lowe throwing in his celebrations in there. But congratulations, West Harding, you did well. It's good to see that our players are doing well. And this is, as I said, this is the thing that we want to see. Our players doing really, really well and moving into the next season where we can actually say we have a good team grooming for the World Cup qualifiers. So if anyone didn't know, also Kevin Stewart played a friendly today against Manchester City, and he did put on a good display for like about I can't remember exactly amount of minutes, but he put in a good performance. It went down at one at a time, worrying signs, but I do believe that he made good account of himself with some good performances. We would say yes, it was like about 40 minutes of game he played, about 40 minutes he played for, but he stand out. He looked well. Hopefully, he'll be good for the World Cup campaigns. I'm expecting to see him in the World Cup campaign. He's one of the players that I am looking forward to see. Now, let's get into some serious matters. So the Reggae Boyz, not the Reggae, but the Jamaican national team has went down in the FIFA rankings. Is it up? Because if you're going from 45 to 50, isn't that up? From 45 to 50, isn't that up? But according to FIFA, you went down. But anyways, I tweeted something earlier today, so I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna read what I tweeted. This is it. This is it. So Jamaica made a significant regress in the FIFA ranking, dropping 5 places down the table. Now people are going to say that, oh, they're looking at the FIFA rankings now and don't see that. You should go and check the FIFA live update rankings. That live update rankings give you by game by game. That's what it does. It gives you by game. The FIFA official website gives you their updates like every 3 months basis, something like that. So the next update possibly is going to be this month or in September. But the FIFA live update gives you game by game. You can go there and see it. So Jamaica made a significant, yeah, I read it already. Dropping 5 places down the table, moving from 45th to 50. From 45th to 50. Ooh. Whilst our counterparts in the USA move from 22nd to 9th. Ooh, that's a massive jump. And Mexico from 11th to 10th. So the last thing I said, hopefully we can do the right thing and start moving up the table. Now, how are we going to do the right thing? What is the right thing? That, that, my friend, is the big question. That, I believe, is the big question. What is the right thing? How are we going to do the right thing? So first, let's answer what is the right thing. The right thing is federation. Sort out. Federation need to sort themselves out. They need to sort themselves out. All those major issues that you guys are having, technical directors, logistics, all those things, preparation. If you plan to fail, you fail to plan. And if you fail, you plan to fail. So that's how it is. So these are the things that the technical aspect of the football that is off the pitch, because off the pitch issues affect on the pitch. How does that happen? Now, when you don't put in the right infrastructure, when we won't even go that far. Let's go to what we have right now. Like, for example, we don't have any more friendlies coming up, which means that the coaching and technical staff should be working overtime. Recruiting staff should be working overtime. The coach, one of the coach himself said that they will be picking this team of performance, not name. So that is telling me that if a player is in form, he's likely ahead of everyone else. Doesn't matter, you could be core player, you could be big name. He should be in front of most or if any other player, because he's in form. And that is the mantra that we're going off. That is the mantra that we're going off. So that's what I'm expecting. Now, that's what I have to do, like how we're going to fix up. Doing the right thing. Now, the next part of it is this now. How are we going to apply the right thing now? So when we start to get the backroom stuff is to sort out, such as we start doing the right proper scouting. We have a database, analytical database to inform all the JFF, the coaching staff of every single player that is performing in every position on the pitch at the optimum best. Then that information can be relayed, and that information can be used to select the team. That is only going to be applied, because at the end of the day, yes, the big factor, core players. What if the core players are not performing at the highest level? Are you going to pick a core player who is not performing, who's not in good form, over another player in the same position who is performing exceptionally well? That is going to be some big decisions to be made. But anyways, I won't go further into that, people, because this is actually a good day. Hopefully, guys take something from it. And one thing I have to say, we are at 50. We cannot afford to drop any further down the table. We cannot afford to go any further down the table. I don't think that we would want that, because at some point in time, These are going to be, why am I sweating? There will be some big implications which will affect us if we should go further down the table. So we have to be careful. We must be very, very careful in how we approach this. It is important. We're going into a serious season. Season of scouting, season of football, Premier, all the leagues are back on track. Let's see what you guys do. Anyways, 50th, not good. We need to find ourselves back at the right place. This Gold Cup campaign was significant in that. Most people don't even understand, because these Gold Cup campaigns are registered under FIFA. So it's big impact, people. Can you imagine if we had won a few more games, how far down the table would have been? Maybe would have entered into the 30 bracket. Maybe. Just maybe. But anyways, people, as I said, thank you very much for tuning in. This has been definitely a good one. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Military Guna TV. Guess what? I am out.